Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Deutsch zu lernen. In today's video you are going to learn the difference between lernen and studieren. Both the verbs lernen and studieren both relate to the concept of acquiring knowledge, but they are used in distinct contexts. Let's begin with the verb lernen. Lernen means to learn. The verb lernen is used for a general learning process, whether it's learning a language, a new skill, or preparing for an exam. Let's look at the first example. Ich lerne Deutsch. In this context, the verb lernen describes learning a new language. Let's look at the second example. Er lernt sehr viel für die Prüfung. In this context, the verb lernen specifies the act of studying specific material for an exam. Let's look at the third example. Sie lernt Mathematik. In this context, the verb lernen describes the basic educational activity. Let's move on to the verb studieren. The verb studieren means to study or to measure. The verb studieren specifically refers to the act of studying at a university or college or to major in a particular subject. It implies more formal and structured approach to learning, often involving coursework and research. Let's look at the first example. Ich studiere Medizin. In this context, the verb studieren specify measuring in a particular subject. Let's look at the second example. Sie studiert an der Universität Berlin. Here, the verb studieren indicates that one is a university student. Let's learn one more usage of the verb studieren. The verb studieren can also mean to examine something in detail. Let's learn with an example. Er studiert die Landkarte. Here, the verb studieren implies a detailed and careful examination of a subject or object. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.